Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I will be exposing exactly how I make thousands of dollars daily, all from creating coins. And no bro, I do not trade meme coins, I actually create them instead. Most people in the trenches are buying these coins and getting completely rinsed by the devs because they get workload. But I am on the other side, funding the narrative, launching the coin, and then cashing out on all the buyers I launch over and over again, and that's exactly how I make money. Now in this video, I will show you exactly how to create coins with my strategy. I will show you every single step into making a viral coin, all for free right now live. So if you're tired of losing money and you want to start printing, keep watching this video. Trust me, you do not want to miss this video. Take a second and look at my Phantom wallet. I've made all this money from creating coins, and I am not here to waste your time or to sell you a stupid course. I'm here to show you my strategy on how to create coins all live right now for free. Let's go. Now here's exactly why you need to stay away from trading these coins and you have to be creating them instead. It's because 98% of all meme coins, when they are launched, they go to zero anyways. So if you are currently a trader, you are most likely going to get completely rinsed if you buy meme coins. Just like this chart right here, this is exactly what happens to most meme coins. It launches, it pumps for a bit, and then it just dries out and it goes to complete zero. It's the same exact scenario every single time. I personally fell victim. I lost thousands of dollars by trading them, so that's why I became a dev. Now I am the one creating the coins and then cashing out and then doing that over and over again. In this video specifically, I will be showing you exactly how to find actual online narratives, how to turn them into meme coins, right? And then after that, how to cash out for profits, all live right now in this video. So if you are looking for a strategy to make money with in the trenches, well, you are at the right place at the right time. Let's go. And by the way bro, yes, I do make money from creating coins and launching them, but I just want to be clear that I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. It's all for educational purposes only. Cap. Now the most common question that I get asked every single day is, where do I make my meme coins on and where do I launch them? Well, I make my coins on a website called launchmemes.io bro, and by launching your coins here, your meme coins are going to get directly launched directly to Radium, reaching thousands of potential traders to buy your meme coin. The Radium DEX is a migration section, it's the same exact thing, and here is where most people trust to buy meme coins on, because Pump.Fun for example is really over competitive, and most of these coins, right, are straight bullshit. Okay, no one sees them, no one buys them. Maybe 1 out of 100 coins actually goes viral, but most of them, you know, they go nowhere. So if you launch your coins on Pump.Fun, you're just wasting your time, and that's why I make my coins on launchmemes.io or on Radium. It's the same exact thing using this launchpad. And making a meme coin on Launch Memes is actually really easy. You could either create a coin from scratch on the main page, so if you have a narrative in mind, like some type of news or just anything, right, well, you could turn that into a meme coin. Just, you know, make a quick name, symbol, and image. The image is the most important part, okay? Or you can use their free Twitter tracker and you can turn tweets into meme coins. So for example, if Trump made a tweet, or if Elon Musk or anybody important made a tweet, well, you can create a meme coin out of it, but that's up to you. Or you can use the third strategy, which is copying trending coins. I've made all my profits from doing this. Let me explain to you exactly what it is. Basically, every single meme coin here is going viral right now on Pump.Fun. They're all getting a bunch of attention and a bunch of buyers, which means they are already proven to get buyers. So what we are going to be doing is copying one coin here back to Radium and using that narrative to our advantage to make money from the Radium DEX. You guys will see I will be doing a live launch right now. Anyways guys, let's copy a coin and try to make some money right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, right? And let's copy a coin. Just make sure that you're not copying the same coin twice. But yeah, all these narratives are good. Just go for one and try it out. That is what I do. So I'm gonna go for the XChat coin. Why not? Click on copy the Radium. Your Phantom will show up. Ignore the block, right? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be copied shortly. Just wait a couple seconds. And boom, now it's on the Solana blockchain, everything is working. Let's create the liquidity pool, which is the supply for our coin. Like that, our coin can go to Iridium. That is the whole point. Now for the supply, click on 90%. I do that for all my coins, by the way. It's perfect, just do 90%. For the amount of SOL to pair, that is a dev buy for yourself. Put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. Like that, you can have a decent amount of supply in. Now obviously, at the end of the launch, when you cash out, it will come back to you, so it is not lost. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created. Just wait, boom, now it's actually live. Okay, now people are able to see your coin. Click on refresh once, and as you guys can see, it's live. Now people can buy your coin. Let's go see the chart. Use any trading platform that you want, it does not matter, guys. Okay, just go find your coin, and for example, boom, it's, oh my god, it's already pumping so much, guys. That's exactly what I mean about diving coins. It's insanely profitable. Like, if you launch coins on Iridium, it's insane. The Iridium DEX with launch memes is insane. Okay, now if you come back to launch memes and you click on refresh, you guys can see that we're up 152 bucks now. That is incredible, within seconds, by the way. Now I'm gonna just let the coin ride. After I come back, I will show you how to cash out, so be right back. Alright guys, I am back after like 4 to 5 minutes, and as you guys can see, it's pumping. Okay, this is what I love about Iridium. Like, there is so much buying pressure. But yeah, let's cash out. Come back to launchmemes.io, click on refresh, and boom, we're up $2,800 in profits unrealized. But yeah, let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100% right to remove all your profits. Click on remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then you should be fully out and cashed out. Whoa, we just cashed out, and that's exactly how I make money from deving. Look at my phantom wallet, here's the proof. Boom, $2,800 in my phantom wallet, bro. I am not capping. This is exactly what I do for a living. Launchmemes.io will be linked down below, bro. Just like and subscribe, and just launch over and over again and stay consistent. Peace out. And if you want to win 10 SOL like this when you're right here, just like, subscribe, and comment, and join my free Telegram group down below, bro, and you will be entered, and I will pick randomly in my DMs.